Hello people, welcome to new video. This one is going to be focused on the LinkedIn Easy Apply bot. This is a bot that helps you to automate the job application process on LinkedIn website using a feature called Easy Apply. It's very easy. All you need to do is to download this code from my GitHub page and do some configurations that relate to your profile on LinkedIn and your preferences for job hunting. So you'll just put your email and password, whatever, and then you will define your experience level, your job type you're looking for, the titles you're looking for, locations, and so on. It's just very easy, simple plain English configuration that I've added like details, what you're supposed to do, and then you can be running this bot in no time. And on top of that, this bot also comes with a dashboard built in Power BI desktop, which is free to use and download. Install that software from Microsoft and then open this bot, dashboard. And this dashboard will tell you the performance about the bot, like how many jobs it has applied for you, the locations, the positions, companies, and so on, right? So if you're new to this tool, or if you're looking for a job, or your friends are job hunting, please feel free to share this bot. You can type Easy Apply bot in Google. Void by default is my username, and you should be able to find it. That's my page. And then also I've done 2 videos on YouTube that you can watch and set up the bot yourself on your PC locally. No information is going out of your PC. And then also I've done one more video that how you can set up the BI dashboard to have analytics about the bot's performance. So that's the introduction. Now recently what happened, at the moment, as you can see, the bot is running perfectly fine, but recently I was trying to help one of my friends to get this bot running on his PC. He's not really tech savvy. He's a sales and marketing guy, not really into programming and all that. So while I was setting up this PC, this bot on his PC, it was working fine, everything was good. But then as soon as I opened the Power BI dashboard, I realized the dashboard was broken. And then I started to investigate. Initially I thought something is wrong with the dashboard, then I thought something is wrong with my bot, the code has to change or something. But then after investigating, I find out that our friends in LinkedIn, they change something at the back end. So let me show you what happened then. So this is actually a fixed version. Let me open up the log prior to the fix. All right, I don't know if that's the right one. Yeah, okay, so great. So what happened? What was happening? I'm sorry, that the job title, as you can see here, sales manager, was appearing twice, and that was breaking my dashboard. And I found out the root cause. It took me a few hours. So I found out that LinkedIn people, they introduced this badge, as you can see, check mark. They call it verification badge, and this badge thing was resulting in a repeat, like sales manager, and then again sales manager with the verification, which is supposed to be a checkbox, right? And it was affecting the dashboard. So eventually I had to spend some time after ensuring that dashboard is okay, the code of the bot is okay, and then I found out that there was something wrong at the LinkedIn end, right? And now you can see this is a new this is the right now time 4:59. So you can see here that the title is not repeating anymore, although I think, yeah. So this is a new log and the bot has been fixed. So basically what I did, I had to first of all figure out what's happening at the, let me show you. So I had to go through these lines here and figure out the right variable, and then based on that I found that I have to make one small addition to incorporate the change done by LinkedIn. So after that, the what do you call this, the bot is working perfectly fine. And in case if you are interested to see how the dashboard look, Give me 1 second to pull up. Now my laptop is going crazy. So that's how this dashboard looks. So in my case, I'm not running this bot anymore, but you can see here that, by the way, this is one from the old logs. I know the bot was run up to 40,000 jobs. So it tells me like number of jobs, the locations. I can really drill down all the way to the bottom, maximum level possible, the countries it has applied for me, and the titles, and so on. So because of the change by LinkedIn, this dashboard was broken, which is now fixed after the change I have done here. So in case you guys are interested, or I have a new issue here, by the way. So you or any of your friend or colleague is looking for a job, please refer them to this bot. It's called Easy Apply Bot. It's free. Just search on Google, or you can see my page here. Now this guy is complaining there's a syntax error. Normally I get tons of issues like this. It is a false issue. So this guy failed to define experience level in the config YAML. So I'll respond to him in a while, but all he needs to do correctly is to go to this config file. This file here. He needs to define the experience level. Set it to true or false, and he is not defining anything. It's not an issue, so I'll comment and close. Now, this is a false issue actually. So, and I get tons of issues like this. It's not a bug. It's won't fix. No, I forgot actually. So good. Invalid. Okay. All right. So if you go to my issues page, it was like many people, they fail to define their like config properly, and then they call it an issue. But anyways, so all right guys, that's all from me. If you have any questions, please post in the comments. I will try to help as much as I can. But if you're going to create an issue, please make sure the issue is legitimate. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.